So today's topic is vibration in air column. So today's topic is vibration air column. So we have two types of air columns: closed organ pipe, and second is open organ. So first is, so what is closed organ pipe? When a pipe is closed at one end and open other end, then it is called closed organ pipe. It is something like that. So when at the open end of the closed organ pipe, a tuning fork, that is a tuning fork, is vibrate. A waveform, a compression and reflection travel from the open end to closed end, and the wave is reflected from the closed end, and there is two longitudinal wave travel in a air column. So, but in a opposite direction. One is coming from the open end to closed end, and after the reflection, it is moving from closed end to open end. So it form a standing wave. It form a standing wave. So the air particle that is vibrate at the open end is always form an antinode, and the air particle that are not free to vibrate at the closed end, it form a node. It is, so wave will be something like that. That is the antinode at the open end, and it form node at closed end, because here is a air particle is free to move due to open end, or at a closed end the air particle is not free to move, so it form a closed end. So always at a closed end it form a node. So first we will discuss about fundamental tone or first harmonic. In fundamental tone and first harmonic, the closed organ pipe is form a wave, and there is a tuning fork. When it is vibrate, the wave goes from open end to closed end, and after reflection it goes from closed end to open end, and it move in opposite direction, and after superimposing it form a standing wave. So that is the antinode, and that is, and the distance between node to antinode, first node to first antinode, is lambda by, if length of the organ pipe is L, then L will be lambda by 4. So we know the V is equal to F lambda. V is the velocity of sound, F is the frequency, and lambda is the distance between the node to antinode. So what will be the lambda? Lambda will be 4. If you find the fundamental frequency or fundamental tone, that will be V by lambda. So the frequency F will be V by 4L. This frequency is called fundamental tone or frequency and first harmonic. Now second, first our note or our tone, and third harmonic. So the length of the, that is the closed organ pipe, and waveform is like that is the note, because at the closed end always form node, because air particle is not free to move, and at the open end it form antinode, and this is also node if the length is closed organ pipe is L. And if you want to find the distance between to node to second antinode, that will be the distance is 3 lambda by 4. That means length L is equal to 3 lambda by 4. Again we apply the relation, that is V is equal to lambda F and F is equal to V by lambda. So what will be the lambda? That is wavelength, 4L by. Now put the value of the wavelength in this formula, that is F is equal to V by 4L by 3, that is 3V by 4L. This is called, this frequency is called first hour tone or third harmonic. Next, if we want to find the second hour note, or it is also called fifth harmonic. So in second hour note, the wave is like that. That is the node, that is also node, that is also, and this is antinode. It is second hour tone. That means in between there is a two note, so it is called second hour tone or second hour note. So what will, suppose the length of closed organ pipe is L. Now the distance between node and antinode will be 5 lambda by, so length L will be 5 lambda by 4, so lambda will be 4L by 5. Again V is equal to F lambda, frequency F will be V by, now V is L by 5, so frequency will be 5V by 4L. So it is 5, that's why it is called fifth harmonic. That means if we generalize the case, the frequency F1 is equal to V by 4L, that is the first harmonic, and third harmonic F3 is equal to 3V by 4L, and fifth harmonic F5 is 5V by. That means if we generalize the frequency in closed organ pipe, that will be F is equal to n plus 1 by 2 into V by 2L, where n is equal to 0, 1, 2. Now second is the vibration in open organ pipe. So what is the open organ pipe? The open organ pipe is open from the both hands. It is like in this way. That is the open organ pipe. So it is open from the both ends. So when tuning fork is vibrate, it form a wave like that. So in open and organ pipe, also longitudinal standing wave is formed. The particle at open end are free to vibrate. Hence, antinode are formed. So at the both end it is open. So at the both end the particle is free to vibrate. So at the both end it will form a antinode. And at least one node is formed between these two. That means in open organ pipe it is antinode. This is also antinode because here particles are free to move, but that is We will discuss about the first tone or fundamental tone and first harmonic, that is the open organ pipe. So if the length of open organ pipe is L, that is antinode, and that is also, so the distance between the first antinode to second antinode is lambda by 2. It is half wavelength if particle is vibrating. So the length L is equal to lambda by 2 and the wavelength will be 2L. Again we know velocity is equal to F lambda. So F will be V lambda. If we put the value of the wavelength, that is 2L. So first frequency, that is the fundamental frequency, is F is equal to V by 2L. Now the first overtone or second harmonic. So that is the open organ pipe and first hour node. That means there is a two node, that is antinode, that is also. If the length of organ pipe is L, now the wavelength will be the, so L is equal to lambda. Again V is equal to F lambda, so F equal to V by, so V by wavelength is equal to length of open organ pipe. And if we compare it to first one, that is 2V by 2L, that is to 2, that is why it is called second harmonic. So this frequency F is equal to 2V by 2L or V by L. So this frequency is called first overtone or second harmonic. We want to find second overtone or overtone, third harmonic. There is a 3 note, 1, 2 and 3. So second overtone has a 3 note and third harmonic has a 3 note. So if the length of organ pipe is L, so what will be the wavelength? That is 3 lambda by 2. Antinode, that is node, again node, 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 antinode. So length L is equal to 3 lambda by, and wavelength will be 2L by, velocity is equal to frequency into wavelength. So frequency will be velocity upon wavelength. Now put the value of the wavelength, that is 2L by 3V by, that means F is equal to 3V by 2L. This frequency is called second overtone third harmonic. Again, if we want to generalize the case in open organ pipe, the frequency F1 is V by 2L, F2 is 2V by 2L, and F3 third harmonic is 3V by 2L. That means the frequency nth harmonic will be NV by, that is the general formula in frequency of open organ pipe, that is the nth harmonic of nth harmonic frequency in open organ. Now the next topic is intensity of sound. and its unit. So we know the intensity of sound is energy upon area into time. So if the SI unit, what will be the SI unit of intensity of sound? The unit of energy is joule, meter square into sec. Or we can also say energy upon time is a power, that means watt upon meter. The range of human hair is 10 की power minus 12 watt per meter square to 1 watt per meter square. That means intensity of sound can be measured at a watt per meter square. The minimum range to hear is the intensity of sound is 10 to the power minus 12 and the maximum range is 1 watt per meter square. So intensity of sound, so we can use the different scale of the to measure the intensity of sound, that is the logarithmic scale. So we can measure intensity of sound by logarithmic scale. So the intensity of sound in logarithmic scale is called sound level. Is called sound level. So what is the formula of the sound level? That is sound level is equal to 10 log I by I naught and base is 10. Now unit of sound level is decibel, that is dB, and I naught is the threshold sound of intensity. That means minimum sound of the intensity of human air is I naught. That is called threshold sound of intensity. Now case first. If you want to find the range of sound level, so what will be the range of sound level? Suppose that if I is equal to I naught, then sound level SL will be 10 log 10. I is equal to I naught, that means I naught by I naught. 10 log 1. So log 1 is 0. The sound level is 0 dB, 0 decibel. In case second, if we know the upper range of human hearing is 1 watt per meter square. So if I is equal to 1, then sound level will be 10 log 1 upon I naught, and I naught is the minimum threshold sound of intensity, that is 10 to the power minus 12 watt per meter square. Now sound level is 10 log 1 upon 10 to the power minus 12, that is 10 log 10 to the power 12. If we solve it, we get the sound level 12 decibel. The upper range of human hearing is called threshold of pain of intensity. So we get the range of the intensity of sound of human air in decibel. So range of intensity of sound in decibel is 0 decibel to 12. So that is the 120 decibel. Here, so we get the range of the intensity of sound from 0 decibel to 120 decibel. Clear? So that is the intensity of sound 10 log 10 I upon I naught. Where I naught is threshold sound of intensity, or we can say minimum intensity of sound, and range of the intensity of sound is 0 decibel to 120 decibel. Thank you.